I am doing Dr. Joe Dispenza's meditations every single day for 60 days minimum, and this is day 4. Today felt good because I went back to doing the morning meditations. If you watched my video yesterday, I tried his generating joy meditation and I was just not a fan of it. I think it was also because I did it at the wrong time. I did it like at the end of my day and I just wanted to rush through it. So I felt like I couldn't connect. But day 4, so much better. And I feel like I'm getting used to his guidance, getting used to his voice. And there's a part in the meditation when he's like, open your heart. And I actually felt my heart open and I could feel myself like tingling and buzzing. So I was really excited for that because that was kind of like the first time that I felt that. I definitely recommend if you are just starting out with Dr. Joe meditations, definitely do the morning meditations. And I'm also starting with short meditations first. I really want to do this for at least like 2 to 3 weeks. Just to kind of like prep my brain for meditations in general. One of the meditations that I really want to try from his generating series is generating abundance, but that's like 1 hour. And I can already feel that if I were to do it right now, there would be a lot of resistance. I am actually also doing his course. I have not gotten to any of the meditations in his course, and that's a part of like the resistance that I'm trying to release as well. Like I just want to sit down and just do it. And I'm doing his course because hopefully I really want to attend one of his advanced retreats this year, and doing the course is mandatory. So let's see how I go with that. But right now, I'm just going to focus on these meditations and I'm going to be diligent. And I'm actually really proud of myself. Like, this is day 4, right? Yeah, day 4. And I have not skipped a day no matter how busy my day is, you know? So even if I don't get to do it in the morning, I make time for it midday, I make time for it at night. And even though it's hard to connect, I still sit through the whole meditation. You know, like, just because you have a bad meditation experience does not mean that you can't do it. Like, everything is just a learning experience. And even when I couldn't get through the meditation yesterday, I still sat down. I told my brain, like, you know, no, like, we're not gonna stop midway. We're actually gonna like witness this whole entire experience and this process, because not being able to sit through an entire meditation itself is part of the process, right? Like, I'm not expecting myself to be an expert at Joe Dispenza meditations right away. It does take time, it takes patience, and what Dr. Joe always talks about is it takes consistency. So just because you have one bad meditation day does not mean that you should stop doing it altogether. Just keep going. Just keep going. Keep showing up for yourself every single day. And the goal is not perfection, right? Like, my goal is not to be perfect at meditating. My goal is to really just be with myself every single day. Like, every time that I'm sitting and I'm putting that meditation on, I am teaching my body and my mind that it's important to make time for me. So I know that I'm going to get better at it. And I'm really looking forward to like end of week reflections, and that's coming soon. So thank you so much. If you're here for this journey, let me know if any of you are also doing Dr. Joe meditations, and ooh, my ears are ringing. Is that a sign from spirit? But yeah, let me know if any of you are doing it as well. Please leave a comment below. Ask me any question. I will see you tomorrow for day 5 and follow for more. I'm doing Joe Dispenza meditations every day for 60 days, and this is day 5. There's not much to say about day 5. I went back into doing the morning meditations because I did not enjoy the generating joy meditation that I did in day 3. But it's okay because this is a journey. It's an entire process, and I'm here just witnessing the whole experience, and just like, I'm just committed to showing up for myself and not to be perfect. So day 5, I went back into doing morning and evening meditations. I missed the morning meditation because I had to wake up early for work, and I did not really have time to get into like a morning routine. So I ended up doing the evening meditation instead before I went to bed. And honestly, I really enjoyed it. I've done it a few times now, so I was able to like drop in easily. And another thing that I see that really helps is wearing eye masks. So I think meditating in pitch black really helps me to tune in faster, because if you know Joe Dispenza meditations, he talks about connecting to that nothingness, like connecting to nothing. He talks about going into nothing and connecting to that expansive frequency and that energy of nothingness, which is also everything at the same time, right? So anyway, day 5, things are going great. I'm really excited for day 6 tomorrow. Let me know if any of you are also doing Joe Dispenza meditations. Let's go on this journey together. Share your experience in the comments below. And if you have any questions, also leave them in the comments below. Okay? Follow for more.